To mark World Environmental Day, Uhunmwonde local government join body with Edo State government and Africa Initiative for World Peace to launch the 2025 tree planting campaign officially. For the event, dem also open one 28.5-hectare forest plantation wey dem don dey work on since 2017-2018, as all na part of efforts to bring back better balance to the environment for the area. Honourable Benjamin Osasiredia, wey be chairman of Uhunmwonde local government and host of the event, tok say tree planting na big way to fight bad effects of how people dey spoil the environment. For im main speech, e yarn say cutting of trees dey lead to wahala like erosion, flood and poor farming, as all dis don cause plenty loss of life and property for recent years. He thank all the sponsors wey help support the campaign, say their steady support dey push environmental protection go front.
The devastating consequences like erosion, flooding, desertification in unexpected ecology, poor agricultural yields, loss of livelihoods is largely hinged on deforestation without attendant afforestation. It is because of the foregoing scenario that concerted efforts are made by all responsible governments, like that of Senator Monde Okpewolo of Edo State, in the world at national, regional, state, and even local government levels, to combat this problem through afforestation or tree planting. Because it has a way of mitigating the negative externalities of climate change, we want to thank the Bucknet Foundation. Thank you, Bernadette. Thank you, Vanessa. Thank you, all members of the team who made today possible. As we celebrate today, World Environment Day 2025, ending plastic pollution, on behalf of the good people of Uhunmwonde local government area, I want to thank you all for coming. And on your return home, please plant a tree. Thank you.
As the Chief of Staff write Honourable Gani Audu tok on top Edo State Governor behalf, he yarn say the 2025 tree planting campaign na correct move at the right time to join with global fight against climate change. He hailed the teamwork wey dey behind the project and promise say Edo State go continue to support environmental education, good policy and community involvement. He beg the people of the area make dem take the forest plantation as their own because e go help the future.
Today, we gathered to commemorate World Environmental Day, a global event that highlights the importance of protecting our planet. As we stand here, we are reminded of the critical role our environment plays in sustaining life. I am proud to announce the flag off of our 2025 tree planting initiative of about 28.5 hectares, aimed at combating climate change and promoting again our Edo State. This endeavor aligns with global effort to mitigate the devastating impact of climate change. I would like to extend my gratitude to Mrs. Ebony Vanessa Bucknet and the Bucknet Foundation for their unwavering commitment to environmental conservation in Edo State. Your consistent participation in World Environmental Day by fighting things has truly been inspiring. So the government will continue this partnership and collaboration in area of tree planting. We, the government, we are ready to distribute seedling across government areas, the community in planting. The government will also do environmental awareness, talk to the communities on reason why they should preserve the forest, and to also educate them on why they should protect what you are doing here. So for the community leaders and the youth, for people to leave their country, 3 countries combined to visit Nigeria is not a child's play. They are serious-minded people, and they left all the way from Lagos to Edo, and not just Edo, to Eyo. For them to be in Eyo, then the community needs to also play their part by protecting their investment here in it. Please, I want to, on behalf of the state governor, appeal to the community to please protect this investment the book, back, back-ended foundation are doing on behalf of the state government. We, the government of Edo, we continue to give the necessary support for this partnership to strive. And I listened to the speech of Mr. Roberts, and then he asked, actually, when we were coming back from the bush, my friend, the chairman of the Forestry Commission, Dr. Valeta, as well, I told him, I mentioned to him that this investment, what we are doing here, needs a pickup van, a four-wheel drive, like a Taylor. I didn't even know that it was included in the speech of Mr. Roberts. So for that, I will convey that message to His Excellency, and by the special grace of God, the government will continue to support. And I'm sure by the time I explain to the governor what I have seen in this bush, in this forest, and providing you with an healers for this project would be a problem. The tree planting is not just it's good. It's not just for them. It's for you. It's for your good, because the benefit, the advantages, like most speakers have mentioned, is to absorb first and foremost carbon dioxide and reducing greenhouse gases, provide shade, improving air quality, support biodiversity and ecosystem balance, intrinsic value of our community. So let's work together to create a sustainable future for Edo State. All those citizens to participate in this initiative and to join the fight against climate change. Let's plant hope, nurture life, and build a sustainable future for generations to come. God bless Edo State. God bless the Federal Republic of Nigeria.
International sponsors dem wey at ten d the event still chook mouth on top the project. Dem yarn say dis project na charitable work and say e dey important to protect nature, as dem praise Edo government sake of say dem don make dat area environmental protection area.
President of Association Benedict for World Peace and Africa Initiative for World Peace, and founder of the 1 Million Trees for Peace project. On behalf of my team, I welcome you all to this wonderful and so important event. It gladdens my heart so deeply to see you are here today. Thanks to everyone. You are so wonderful people. Let us plant this peace for peace today for a beautiful planet.
I am Mrs. Vanessa Ebony Bauknecht, Vice President of the Bauknecht Foundation Germany. Today, on World Environmental Day, we gather to celebrate the beauty and importance of our planet. And what better way to honor this day than by coming together to plant trees? The members of Association Bernadette Strabel World Peace and Bauknecht Foundation from Europe are very happy to join you in celebrating this special day, and I'm particularly honored as the Vice President of the Bauknecht Foundation Germany to be the special guest of honor. I thank Mr. Governor and Chairman of Edo State Forestry Commission for this gesture. Trees are the backbone of our ecosystem, providing oxygen, food, and shelter for countless species. They help mitigate climate change, support biodiversity, and ensure the health of our planet. As the saying goes, a healthy planet translates to healthy people. Today's trees planting at area BC 15-1, Ihor Forest Reserve, Ihor location, Edo State, Nigeria, is a testament to our collective commitment to protecting our environment. By planting trees, we are investing in a sustainable future, providing jobs for people in the rural area, just as we are doing in the Trees for Peace project, creating a greener tomorrow and ensuring a healthy planet for generations to come. I commend the great works of the founder, Benedict Strabel, and her Nigeria organization, Africa Initiative for World Peace, the supporting organization, Association Bernadette Strabel World Peace Europe, Edo State Forestry Commission, the Ministry of Environment and Sustainability, the local government council of EAR, and everyone involved in this initiative. Your passion and dedication to environmental conservation are truly inspiring. As we plant these trees, let us remember also the theme of the 2025 World Environment Day, ending plastic pollution globally. Let us strive to be responsible stewards of our planet, protecting and preserving its natural resources for a brighter future. Let us make a pledge today to continue working together towards a more sustainable, eco-friendly, and environmentally conscious world. Thank you for today's event, and let us plant trees with love, care, and commitment to our planet's future, to care more for our forests and its creatures, all the beautiful birds, insects, butterflies, animals, the microfaunas, etc. Let's work together to protect it and at the same time reduce and stop all forms of environmental pollutions by taking drastic actions in ending plastic pollution globally. The Bauknecht Foundation Germany cares for your forest, and I believe you do as well. God bless His Excellency and the good people of Edo State.
My name is Robert Gerritsma, Project Manager of Association Benedict Strabel World Peace in Europe. On behalf of the President of our organization, Benedict Strabel, I welcome you all to today's event, the flag off for the 2025 tree planting on this year's World Environment Day. We feel privileged that our team can be here in Nigeria, celebrating together with you, and we are thankful to Mr. Governor for welcoming us here as his guest and for making this wonderful event possible. We also wish to thank the Chairman of Edo State Forestry Commission, Dr. Valentine Asman, for hosting us today. Dr. Festus told us on knowing this event that you invested all your time and energy for ensuring that today's event will be a full success. Thank you for that. And also our trip was very successful. Thank you. We compliment Mr. Governor for making a wise choice in your appointment as the chairman of Edo State Forestry Commission. Your Excellency and others present here today, you will be fully agree with me that the best time to plant a tree was 20 years ago. And the second best time is now. So since 2010, our association has been supporting Edo State government in forest regeneration. As of today, we have planted 106.5 hectares of degraded land to forest, and in 2025, we are planting another 20 hectares of degraded land with forestry. This is quite a challenging task, I must say, for us as a non-governmental organization, whose members all work on a volunteer base and totally free. In 2025, we have raised 42,000 forest seedlings. Most of them will be planted in the mentioned 20 hectares of degraded land, and the rest will be used for beat-up operations for an area planted with forest trees in 2022, 23, and 24. Important for all you to know is that the most difficult operation in forest regeneration is definitely not the planting of a tree, but the maintenance of the forest baby trees planted. For our example, the 16.5 hectares planted in June 24 needed to be weeded 3 times from February till date. This to ensure their survival. During the dry season, we did serious fire tracing to protect the entire forest planted from bushfire. All these operations are paid for and thanks to our biggest sponsor, the Bauknecht Foundation, Your Excellency, without the good heart of persons like her, we would cease to do our course here. We from Association Bernadette Strebel thank all the present members of Bauknecht Foundation for making their time to come and see what we are doing here in Edo State for many years now and to connect with our local staff and people of Edo State. Your Excellency and others present here today, it's not a secret that we must all work together to respect, take care, and protect our endangered environment, including animals and other creatures. Edo State government made a very strong statement for putting up a law which declared this area as an environmental protection area. And we strongly support this decision and law not applying the easy way, which means chemical weeding, because we want to protect all soil creatures that play an active role in our ecosystem.
Another person wey yarn for the event na chairman of Edo State Forestry Commission, Honourable Valentine Aswe. He yarn say tree planting dey help fight pollution and dey protect nature. The residence project manager come also break down how the tree planting be.
On behalf of Edo State Forestry Commission, I welcome you all to the groundbreaking ceremony of this year's tree planting campaign in commemoration of the World Environment Day. The theme of today's event is eliminating plastic pollution. This is very apt because the use of plastic is doing us more harm than good in this country. Apart from the fact that scientists are telling us about the toxicity of chemicals that make up this plastic, it's also causing erosion owing to its non-degradability. The World Environment Day, which serves as reminiscence on the importance of protecting our dear planet, is also a testament of our collective responsibilities and commitment to the protecting our world and promoting sustainability. Going forward, we shall all celebrate this day in a special way, and this will be symbolic as every one of us here today, we have to express our commitment and display an act of responsibility by planting trees. As you already know, trees are vital to our ecosystem. They are the lungs of our earth, providing oxygen, absorbing carbon dioxide, supporting biodiversity, and combating climate change. This is a reason for deliberate action to be taken here in Edo State. To prevent pollution and protect nature by planting these trees so as to enjoy a pollution-free environment. Planting of trees does not only beautify our surroundings, it also contributes to the healthier environment and serves as an investment in our sustainable future. The high point of today's message is eliminating plastic pollution. What is plastic pollution? Plastic pollution is the accumulation of plastic objects, particles, e.g., plastic bottles, bags, and microbeads in the earth environment that adversely affect humans, wildlife, and their habitats. What are the effects of plastic pollution? Among the numerous effects of plastic pollution, plastic wreaks havoc on our ecosystem. It also causes a lot of health issues, including eye irritation, breathing difficulties, liver dysfunction, cancer, skin diseases, lung problems, headaches, dizziness, birth defects, cardiovascular illness, etc. Now, how do we stop this plastic pollution? We can stop this plastic pollution by carrying out the following exercise in our daily life. Planting of grasses, trees, and shrubs in bare areas. Proper disposal of motor oil and household chemicals. Collecting refuse and disposing them in an appropriate dumping site or incinerators. organize neighborhood cleanup and environmental sanitation activities, recycling of plastic, glasses, and paper. To this end, I urge everyone to join hands in this crusade. Let us also take deliberate action in the practice of plastic waste elimination. As this would preserve our planet against the effect of pollution. Permit me on this note to remind us that it's duties of parents to conserve what our children deserve. No wonder a Kenyan nemopolist once quoted, "We must treat the earth well," because it was not given to us by our parents, rather it was loaned to us by our children. Let me use this opportunity at this junction to commend His Excellency Senator Uhunmwonde for providing this land, the technical support and enabling environment for this forest development project to thrive. Also, my sincere appreciation goes to the President and Association of Bernadette Strape. Can you clap for her, please? For this laudable forest regeneration initiative that has transmuted into lifesavers that is being celebrated today. Thank you and God bless you.
This project is a project of Africa Initiative for World Peace, supported by Association Bernadette World Peace in Europe, and in collaboration with Edo State Forestry Commission. We thank the state government so far for the support of this project, and most especially Association Bernadette Strabel World Peace that is providing the finance for this project. As you can see, their members are here, the boards are here, they all work for free for this project to make sure that we plant trees for peace and to bring back our forests, which have long gone. So far, we have raised about 106.5 hectares as of 2024, and in 2025, we are regenerating 20 hectares of degraded land, and in which over 42,000 forest trees have been raised, forest seedlings have been raised. Your Excellency, at a spacing of 3 meters by 3 meters, we are planting 22,220 forest trees in 2025. This is not a small job, Your Excellency. And the other forest seedlings will be used to beat up, that is replanting, the area planted in 2024 and the 5.2 hectares planted in 2023 and the 15.34 hectares planted in 2022. Your Excellency, once more we thank everyone. I also thank my workers who are working here under the rain and under the sun. They are so committed. And also our Muslim brothers too in the hall. They have been very, very supportive with this project. And also again the communities too. Your Excellency, the trees in these areas are very, very safe. The time they hear the local workers or the communities, if they hear any motor saw, the next thing they do, they call. And I'm telling you, before we come, they do the needful. So since then, we have not had anything illegality in this area. Also, our chairman of the local government council, without him, a lot of things being done today would not have been done. Your chairman, honorable chairman, we thank you, sir. God will bless you. We thank the people of Uhunmwonde local government for electing incredible persons like you. Your work testifies of your personality. We thank you so much, and God will continue to bless you.
I want to, on behalf of His Royal Majesty of Uhunmwonde Atokwe, to appreciate you all for the good work, and also to appreciate the council chairman who has provided the enabling environment for us to be here today. Also to thank the chairman of the Forestry Reserve, my very good friend and brother, and for all the DPO for providing security, for those that came from far and near, the governor on behalf of the Oba of Benin, and we also appreciate and commit the organizers of this event that have so much land in Benin, because when we came here for what we can replicate this in other community. We'll be happy after you with this project. May God bless you.
The event end with one ogbonge tree planting ceremony wey involve big people. E show say everybody get role to play to protect the environment, as this campaign na big step wey show say Edo State serious about taking care of nature and building better tomorrow. Make una no forget say as we see am, na so we dey talk am. We no dey take blame. Oyifemi Onasimwa, TMC News.